My niece, Kelly. And it looks like we have... Okay, I just checked my fern and it looks like we have 4 eggs now. So I'd say by next week they should be hatched. Let's go check on the other birds. Okay, here's the other birdies. Good morning, friends. As you know, my cookout for Memorial Day had to be canceled. We did postpone it until next weekend. But we are still going to celebrate my grandson's birthday. And his little theme is construction. So I have my one son shirt on, snow hazards. And that's the closest thing I have that has to do with construction, a construction cone. So I just have a little bit of decorations. Got a little construction tablecloth here with some little fun centerpieces. I just stuck some construction cutouts on the wall. Added some balloons. Right now, that's all I got done so far. I'm in the process of getting some food together, and I did make a little cake last night. My daughter-in-law is going to come over and she's going to decorate that, so I will show you a picture of that. I doubt I'll be filming anything at the party for privacy reasons, but I will give you an update when we're done. Took a little break, sat down, rested my feet, and my back was screaming. And of course, little Cooper had to come sit on top of me.
Different one. I think we'll get you a different one. We'll get a different one. He's like, what are you saying to me? Here, come on. Oh man. I was hoping you were gonna stay up there. You want a piece?
No, it is what it means. It means don't knock on my door.
Yeah.
Well, everything is pretty much cleaned up. Birthday party is over. Still got stuff to put away, but oh, I still got to take those things off the wall. Yep, time for a nap. And I need to give a huge shout out to my niece, Kelly. She brought an awesome zucchini bread with walnuts. Oh my gosh, it was absolutely delicious. So thank you, Kelly. Okay guys, dining room back in order. Now let's hit the playroom. Okay. Well, that box there is from my new toilet, and I didn't get it outside in time. And this box here is an empty box that should have gone out because I had gotten new chairs. So, yeah, the kids have, hey, they had a good time, right? That's all that matters. So go ahead and get this cleaned up and okay, everything's straightened up now. Somebody left their little socks, and yeah, now those chairs will go outside in the garage where the other tables are, but I'm not gonna take them out. So Yep, this room is pretty much back to normal. Okay guys, kitchen's back in order, finally. And it's time now to end this video. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now. I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Jace, do not unsubscribe. And leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that hype button. Get my videos out there. I'd greatly appreciate it. I am slowly growing. And my goal for July is to get 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Yes, I know it's a short video, but pretty quick of what we did for my grandson's birthday and just a little tiny cookout with family. And to all my nieces, nephews, and my grandkids, I love you. I was so excited to see you this weekend. And yes, I miss those that couldn't make it. And you know who you are. But it's all good. I still love you. So all my friends up north, stay warm. All my friends down south, stay cool. And everybody, stay safe and stay blessed. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.